people. Me not beard after a certain time.
Me know.
So if the time they
Me
pass,
know.
me nah bother beard. They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What did them? Chatting for chattings. Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube?
Alright, so we're there with a epic video, guys. Who knows me best? And right now, me a feature my niece, Sequoia. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna just get straight tonight, but before that, we could get on with the introduction, guys. So, we're there with
Ali.
My name is Sequoia.
and you don't see the name on the hat, King. Alright, guys, so my first question to these ladies is, what do I enjoy doing?
Cooking, making my videos.
Alright. Oh, me for still answer? Alright then. Well, like to do the most, spend time with me and cook.
Alright, you have a point, I spend time with her, yes. I cook, yes, but Sequoia more connect. But you left out one thing, the music. I don't know how she
so we
miss
left
out
out that.
Left out the music, guys. When they run me too long now, you know, say, position Vino Paramino Sanya. Collect the money, girl, better than Latanya. Alright, but we'll just go to the next question, guys. Alright, the next one. Because them they run me long enough now. So, uno pick. I want to comment down below and tell me the type of video you want to like to see. But the next question is this. I'm a vegan, we not tear flesh, strictly vegan. So now I'm going to ask this question, which I think they all should know. Which is my favorite protein?
The obvious, any vegan must know the basic tofu.
Alright. Them are going well down. That not bad. That not bad, but me I pre say I'm gonna put tofu on the side because everybody knows I love tofu. So right now, pandemic though, and them say social distance. You feel like we're too close, guys?
Guys, we are family. We're not there not too close, so we are gonna right here so with each other. No COVID, none of that.
No COVID, none of that. Alright. Next question. What is my favorite sport?
You not play sport?
Exactly.
Alright. Cricket.
Ah! So, oh, you just say me not play sport,
No,
but yet
but-
still you say cricket.
No.
Me not understand you.
Listen, guys.
Sequoia,
I didn't know
you didn't know that, alright?
You see, because you don't really play sport and
So, right now, the first two questions, you guys are even. Now, it's Ali, 1 up.
yes, so me
Alright,
the
so-
2 and she the 1.
1 up. It's not no 2 and 1. The two first questions were drawn.
Oh.
So, this question was a 1 up for Alia. So,
Alright,
now
1 up
we're
for Ali.
moving on to the other question. Talk to me, eh? Tell me. Alright. Now, the next question is this. I don't know. I really don't know.
In
The
serious?
last-
You can't serious.
The last people. Wanna help me out now? Me need HELP. Help. Alright. The next question is. Yeah, question no?
Are you ask the question? Watch out.
So you can't give me a question. So nothing about me you can give me a question for ask you a question. Alright then, I'm gonna see what I can come up with. Because there's so much about me. Alright guys. People say I'm hype. But I'm gonna ask them people you know. What I call myself?
King, you know the fire hat?
King, a drop off the G-Y-A-L. Sequoia. So that's a draw again, guys. Moving forward.
Alright.
Moving forward. What type of animal I love?
Dog. A school challenge Chris 12 at the same time.
Yeah, guys. I love dogs. Yeah, don't get it twisted. We love dogs. Yeah, because them protect the place, protect the area. You understand? Anybody walk on the stretch here, trouble. Alright.
Tear them up.
So you can't pass. My sign outside, me have a sign mark, be aware of bad dogs. So when you know what I go on. And with the outside I go and chill guys, the breeze are blow cool. So we just go in night. I don't know my love sing already. Don't it? We can't go no one little piece. Can't go no one little piece.
Alright, ready up.
Position Vina Paraminosania. Collect the money, girl, you better than Latanya. Loving the look when you whine to the song, yeah. Cute like Lisa, every man I give you honor. You're not flying west, but you need that dollar. Intelligent, bright, be full of grammar. Pan your head top, put your paws like a comma. If a competition, you want gone with the banner. Alright, moving on.
Guys, drop it down below and tell me how you like the song them so far.
Moving on. You don't like what I go on though? Alright, so we move forward. Watch her around, they look like she a gangster. Cup on her, cup on she too. With her arm, poop up.
No.
People, me say, her arm, poop up. Next question.
No, sir.
Next question. Alright. You know some I love the music, you know me a vegan already. You understand? But what's my favorite color?
Black.
Well,
Red.
I'm not answer yet, you know. Because you have so much favorite color.
Alright, black and red are 1, or 2, proceed.
Alright, then we would have say blue and white.
Blue and white.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. White, evident. And the blue contrast with the white. The white and blue in a
Hey.
1. Perfect. So, you guys are both winners. So, one more question.
Alright.
What the latest time of the day me bathe? Because people, me not bathe after a certain time.
Me know.
So if the time they
Me
pass,
know.
me not bother bathe.
Mm-hmm.
I'm broke when I fall upon me and nasty. God no like nasty.
Comment down below
God
and
no
tell
like
me
nasty,
that is
you know,
nasty.
people.
People
God
no.
no like nasty. So if the time
No.
they pass and me no bathe, no blink, no
No.
cuss.
Any
So,
time of the day you not beard.
which time of the day?
No, me I ask
Me
her
no
first
bathe.
because you're
From the time they
nasty.
pass, which time of the day me no pass? I'm going to throw the question to Sequoia first because Ali insists. So Sequoia. When it pass a certain time of the day, when it reach a certain hours, me not bother bathe. I would like to know
I think
what
6
time
or-
that.
6 or 5 o'clock.
No, accurate. Which
Mwah,
one?
you're close. Mwah, you be precise and point. In the evening, boy, you just say 6 or 5 o'clock.
Or
Yeah, yeah.
9.
Boy, you know,
Confused.
people should tell me 6 or 5 o'clock. They just say in the evening.
Me know some
They
what
just say
you
in the
she
night.
go say.
She go close a while ago, 6 or 5 o'clock. It's just one of them. She just need to pick either 6 or 5.
Exactly. Because me don't know already, you know.
Alright, she says 6. Alright, I got hear what you have to say.
And give me drum roll. Dum, 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 dum. 6 o'clock, guys.
Yeah, guys, I see if 6 o'clock pass and me no
Nasty.
beard, me
Nasty.
not bother beard, you know why?
Nasty.
Them no know.
Nasty.
And Jesus Christ,
You
seriously,
see? Nasty.
me pneumatic people. Pneumatic. If you don't know, research it. I'm gonna go in depth, people. From my tender age, doctor said I have a little cold on the lungs. You understand? So I have to be careful. This worse than Alzheimer. This worse than even sickle cell where you see I go round. Corona, no, they nowhere near this. Just one little water and I'm heading at the hours a night and that's it. So,
You know
me
when
do the
Tiara
right
start?
thing. Me do the right thing and be at 6 o'clock. And if it goes 6, if you have a 6, if it's even a minute past 6.
That's exaggerating, no.
Nah,
That's
but
a exaggerate.
Nah, but
6:01 and you catch cool.
nah, but be too late.
Anyways, come with
Right,
the
pan
next
it-
question.
alright.
Sure.
Yeah, them a bad me apart. The next question.
Sure.
The next question. Other than YouTube, what would I be doing right now?
Cooking. I sleep.
Me know. You would not cook. And just relax.
I listen to music.
That
and I
too.
sing.
Alright, so I'm going to the one day.
Alright.
I'm going to the one day. But differently, guys. From singing, cooking, and doing YouTube, we more that too. Because we want to not go in a details. We more that do right now. Cause you know we always have Wi-Fi. What I would be doing?
Check the channel.
Other than checking the channel, what would I be doing?
What you doing?
No, would I play PUBG?
You put it.
PUBG and Free Fire. Bang, bang, boom!
Enemy down! Enemy down!
Alright, so how them a go on like them don't want them there and hear me a play it every day.
Guys, a 9. A
Alright.
9.
So now, when I get a full understanding of what I go on, when I get it done, I know I understand it. But I want to go on one more song. I can't go on the next song. I love singing, you know.
Ready up with the song.
I
No
love
hear
sing.
you.
Persuasive, intelligent, girl, you're so eloquent.
Alright.
Contours on point, girl, you're well composed. And I have no corona, you're welcome close. Show me the style that we make unload. Make me find where you live round and end some clove. Girl, your body good, maybe beg some more. Make me feel like a king when you done explore. I span a split with a buckle ensure. Then me dash where the boots come, me have to ensure.
Girl, you're so damn fine. You're always on my mind. It's you.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
So, you have to leave, you know, with a bang. Bang, bang, boom. Until next time.